This is not
From
accelerating
Xenon.
it. Wait, did I take? Oh no!
Free jet.
Tree! Okay. I don't know how to fly this.
Too bad I'm taking it. You gotta hold the accelerate button and then move the joystick.
Wait, I gotta change my controls really fast. Maybe customize.
Oh, what happened?
We good? What's going on? Are we getting shot?
I don't know what's going on. No.
I'm adjusting controls right now. Bro.
Yeah, auto locks on the cars. What does it say? Flare? Can you shoot flares?
Like missile flares to stop. Not to.
I just shot one. Oh yeah, we're taking there.
Let's go.
Come on, I keep running into trees.
Oh god, this is weird. Okay.
I think I gotta get to the road so I don't run into a tree.
Oh, I have an auto cannon too. Wait, how does this work? Whoa, okay. I don't know how to fly this thing.
If I do a nosedive into the ground, would I survive?
Oh no.
It's always shifting left and right. It's so hard.
See, I think I got a hang of it now. Relatively.
Wait, I'm going almost 200 kilometers. What's the max speed, I wonder?
Max speed is 150-ish.
I'm going 198 right now. 199? 200. I'm just holding it accelerate. Oh, low fuel.
I'm holding it. Nothing's
200.
happening.
Oh,
wait, you can just multi-launch missiles.
Where's their gas? We gotta find gas. Oh, this is another... Oh, crap, I'm locked on.
Oh, shoot. Okay, I gotta dip out. Wait, let's try this.
I'm running out of gas. I'm gonna crash with these guys.
Missile alert. Shoot the flares!
Dead. Oh!
Ah!
Wait.
Pull up! I think. Flares, shoot the flares!
Get him!
I don't know what's happening. I don't see anyone right now.
There's only one guy here. I get a vehicle of repair kit. You need that?
I think our... we have another missile alert. We're out of flares, though.
Oh, crap.
I think it's bugged out.
Oh!
This, we kind of left. We're just looking for
it's
easy
fine,
targets
Dad.
here.
Oh, no way.
Find someone. Also, Nate, are you able to do anything from the back or no? Or just passenger?
I'm 1 HP and there's like 3 guys right here.
Oh, wait.
Yo, there's a missile just went right through me.
Well, where are the people, though?
Are you guys running out of gas? I ran out of gas so quickly.
We're like half health, or half gas.
Let's go, I finally got some loot. Yo, this guy's stealing my jet. Oh no. Wait. Oh wait, I'm in it. Oh, it's smoking. I might be dead. Oh!
Help!
I tried using the vehicle repair kit, they just threw a missile at me.
We got to, oh! Oh shit, I missed. Oh no, tree! Tree, no! We're stuck a little bit, I think. We're not accelerating, no!
What happened?